Morning, dear children. Today we are going to start exercise 5.1 of chapter data handling. The first question of the exercise is, for which of these would you use a histogram to show the data? The number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. Histogram, it is used when we can make the groups of the given data. We can make the class intervals of the given data. Here, in the first question, the number of the areas, it cannot be represented in class intervals. So, we cannot use histogram to show this data. The second one is height of competitors in an athletics meet. The height of the competitors, since it can be divided into the intervals, like suppose the height is, we can divide it as 150 to 160 centimeter, 160 to 170 centimeter, and so on. And in front of each group class interval, we can have how many competitors they are of the height between 150 to 160, and likewise the other. So here in this case, we can draw the histogram because the height can be divided into groups. The next is number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. The companies cannot be divided into intervals. So we can use histogram here. Next is time. The number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. So here, the time between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. can be divided into interval, and so we can use the histogram here. The time can be divided as 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 to 1, 1 to 4, or 4 to 7, or 1 to, and like this. So, and we can have here the number of passengers they are boarding between 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Suppose it is 1500, and like in others. So here, since this can be grouped, the time can be grouped in class intervals, so we can draw the histogram in this case. Now, the next question is, the shoppers who come to a departmental store are marked as man, woman, boy और girl. एक डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में जो लोग आ रहे हैं उन्हें 4 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है, मैन, वुमेन, बॉय एंड गर्ल. और द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट गिव्स द शॉपर्स हु केम ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट आवर इन द मॉर्निंग. सुबह के पहले घंटे में जो लोग आए हैं उनकी ये लिस्ट बनाई गई है. Make a frequency distribution table using tally marks and draw a bar graph to illustrate it. So first of all, we will make the frequency distribution table. We have categorized into 4. So the shoppers, in the first column, we will write the shoppers, man, woman, boy, and girl. Then next column will be of tally marks, and the last one will be of the frequency. We read the first value, it is W. We mark our tally against W. Then next is also W, next one is also W. So 3 tallies will be marked against W. Then we have G, then 1 tally against G. Then B, so 1 tally against B, and so on. And after the 4th one, if 5th one also falls in that category, we cross the 4 bunch of 4 tallies with this 5th one diagonally, so that it is easy to count. इस तरह से हम सारे tally marks लगाने के बाद इनको count करेंगे. Here we have 3 bunches of 5, so it is total 15. That is the frequency of M is 15. Similarly, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. 5 is a 25 and plus 3 that is 28 is the frequency of term. Like this we will complete this table and then we have to draw the bar graph. So we will draw two lines. One is horizontal and the other is vertical. On the horizontal line, we keeping the equal spacing between the different bars. हम bars लेंगे of equal width, सभी की width same होगी और इनके बीच का जो space है वो भी equal होगा. और vertically क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ पर वैल्यूज हैं 5 से लेकर 28 तक, तो वर्टिकली हम नंबर ऑफ शॉपर्स को प्लॉट करेंगे. हमने सपोज 10, 20, 30, 40 इस तरह से मार्किंग करेंगे. स्केल हम क्या ले रहे हैं वाई एक्सिस पे 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 यूनिट्स. नाउ द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मैन इज 15, दैट इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ 10 एंड 20. सो इस बार की हाइट हम 15 तक रखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वुमेन की फ्रीक्वेंसी है 28. सो डब्लू की हाइट हम 28 तक रखेंगे. 30 है, इनके बीच में आपके पास 10 मिलीमीटर्स होते हैं. सो 8 मिलीमीटर्स को आप ले लेंगे और ये आप 28 तक इसकी हाइट रखेंगे. फिर जितना गैप आपने पहले लिया था उतना ही गैप यहाँ लेंगे आप. और बॉय की हाइट, बॉय की फ्रीक्वेंसी 5 थी, तो यहाँ पर जो इसका मिड पॉइंट होगा वहाँ आप इसको उसकी हाइट रखेंगे बॉयज की. इसी तरह से गर्ल्स को आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. So this is the bar graph. So that's all for today. Thank you.